So, welcome back to the session of financial management, and we are discussing unit number 3, and that is about investment decision, and technically we call it capital budgeting. In this unit 3, all questions we have practical questions, and we have started a few practical questions. Okay, here capital budgeting means taking a decision regarding the investment of surplus fund in a different opportunities that we have. Generally, we call it a project. And for that evaluation purpose, that which project, which option is best for us for the investment, we have some techniques. And that techniques are known as capital budgeting techniques or investment evaluation technique, which help us to decide the best investment opportunity for us. Two types of techniques are there: traditional techniques and modern techniques. Traditional techniques include payback period, accounting rate of return, and discounted payback period, whereas the modern technique or discounted techniques include internal rate of return, net present value, and profitability index that we will discuss later on. Already we have started a practical question about method 1, and that is payback period. We have done the practical question number 1, 2, and 3. Am I right? Now we are in the next method. Actually, it is not next method, but the next type of practical question in payback period. Here, payback period means the number of years required to recover the project cost or initial investment. Are we clear? Payback period means whatever the time required in terms of years to recover the initial investment. And see, already we have discussed this part in the last class that in real life, in a business life, it is not possible that every year company will earn the same amount of profit. So in every year, it is not possible to generate the same case inflow, generate the same profits. So that's why what happened, the profit or the case inflow is not equal for all the years. It's different from year to year, and that's why we have next type of uh, question in which we have uneven case inflow. Uneven case inflow means in which we does not have an equal case inflow, does not have equal profit for all the years. Are we clear about the background? Now write down the formula. Formula is very simple. Payback period. Payback period is equal to year before fully recovery year before fully recovery plus unrecovered amount upon case flow during the year. Case flow during the year. Lastly, we have done exercise number 3. Let me share the exercise number 4. You will get the clear idea. See, this is visible to you, everyone. Exercise number 4. Certain projects required an initial case outflow of 25,000. Here, project means investments. So, if we want to invest any amount, it will require 25,000 rupees initially. And the case inflows for the 6 years are as, okay, if we invest 25,000 rupees for the next 6 years, this is the income from first year to 6 year: 5,000, 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 7,000, and 3,000 respectively from first year to sixth year. Now you are required to calculate payback period. So first of all, I will prepare one table for the easy calculation, okay, for the easy understanding purpose. And then after we put the formula. In the first column, we will write years. In the second column, we write case inflow. In the first, how many years are there? 6 years are there. Okay. In the first year, how many rupees? 5,000. In the second year, 8,000. In the third year, 10,000. In fourth year, 12,000. Fifth year, 7,000. And in the last year, 3,000. Are we clear? This means we have transferred that pay in a table. Now, what is a case outflow here or a project cost? Case outflow. How many rupees or initial investment is required for the project? How many? 25,000. Very good. Now look at to here. Okay. थोड़ा सा इसको फॉर्मेटिंग कर देते हैं, अच्छा रहेगा. So your data is look like this. Case inflow is 20. Sorry, case outflow is 25,000. Are we clear? Okay. Now, what is the payback period? What is the payback period? No, no. That is the question. Calculate the payback period. Payback period का मतलब क्या है? The years required to recover initial amount. Initial amount is 25,000. Let's do the total. Okay. Total is inflow or a cumulative case inflow. In the first year, project will generate 5,000. Okay. So in the first year, we have only amount of 5,000. In the second year, 5,000 for the first year, 8,000 for the second year. So within a 2 years, project will generate 13,000. Okay. In the third year, 13,000 up to 2 years. In the third year, project will generate 10,000. So total 23,000. Okay. In the fourth year, more 12,000 will be added. 35,000. Okay. Now next one is, this is not required, for I'm writing just for your information. 42,000 and 45,000. Now look at to the last column. Okay, and find out in which year your initial investment is recovered. Okay, your answer is not exactly 3 years or exactly not 4 years. I'm right. 3 years तक 23,000 मिला है, 4 year में 35,000 मिले, which is more than 25,000. We need to look up to the only 25,000. मैंने किसी को 25,000 दिया है तो मैं कब तक कैलकुलेशन करूंगा, जब तक मुझे 25,000 नहीं मिलता. इसके आगे जो मिल रहा है वो उसकी बात है. But now see here, it means your answer is in between the 3 to 4. It's not a 3 years, it's not a complete 4 years. So in between your answer is there. So find out that answer. We need to use the formula. Are we clear? Answer आपको पता चल गया by the table. That answer is in between 3 years to 4 years. Now we calculate the exact year and month. PBP is equal to. Okay, now look at to here. Your profit from case inflow is equal. It is equal for all the years? No. It means we need to use the second formula. And second formula is year before fully recovery plus unrecovered amount upon case flow during the year. Are we clear about the formula? Okay, now look at to here. Year before fully recovery. In which year we have recovered the full amount? Year before fully recovery, that is 35,000 year. So year before fully recovery. In the fourth year we have fully recovery. So year before fully recovery means which year? फोर्थ में तो फुल्ली रिकवरी हो गई, उससे पहले का ईयर बिफोर फुल्ली रिकवरी बेटा 3. ओके, बात समझ में आ गई? फोर्थ ईयर में तो फुल्ली रिकवरी हो जाए, तो पूरी रिकवरी होने से पहले का ईयर बिफोर फुल्ली रिकवरी. तो फुल्ली रिकवरी फोर्थ ईयर में हो रही है, तो उससे पहले का ईयर कौन सा है? 3. ओके, 3 प्लस unrecovered amount. Now compare 3 and 4. Yeah, 23,000. We required 25. The difference 2,000 rupees. Unrecovered amount in this question is 2,000 upon cash flow during the year. Cash inflow during the year. 12,000. This year में fully recovery हुई है, वो year की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. That is 12,000. Wait for a minute. Are we clear about this? Because your concept and identification of numbers is important. Calculation is not that much of important and that much of difficult. If you understand the concept, if you understand the method or a technique, this calculation is easy. Just one time division and second time plus. So now divide 3 plus 2 upon 12. 2,000 upon 12,000. Do the calculation properly. Zero point 166 कंटिन्यू है, तो 7 कर देते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे now this is your answer. If you want to write in the years, it's 3.1667, or else you can write like this: 3 years, and for the month calculation, whatever the answer you will get, 0.1667 into 12. Just do the calculation. So 3 years, and whatever the answer you will get, that is a number of months. That may be in points. 1.1667 into 12. 2.004. It means 2 months. Are we clear, everyone? How to find these months and how to find the answer? Okay. Okay, let's take one more example. One more practical question with the same method. Look at the data. 2 lakh. Total, the project involves total initial expenditure of rupees 2 lakh, and its cash flows are 30,000, 38,000, 25,000, 22, 36, 40, 40, 28, 40, and 28, 24, and 24 in the last year, and calculate the payback period. Now, what is the cash outflow here? Write down cash outflow amount rupees 2 lakh. What we need to do next? We need to prepare a table, year and cash inflow. Year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now cash inflow during the year 30,000, 38,000, 25,000, 22,000, 36,000 in the fifth year. In the sixth year, we have 40,000. Again in the seventh year, 40,000, 28,000, 24,000, and in the last year, in the 10th year, again 24,000. Okay, now calculate the cumulative case inflow. Total case inflow or cumulative case inflow. In the first year, 30, only 30. In the second year, 68, 30 plus 38. Now 68 plus 25, 93. 93 plus 22, 1, wait, 115. 115 plus 151, 191, 231, right? Then after 259, 283, 307. Are we clear about this? Just have to do the sum total, nothing else. Now compare the case inflow and case outflow. Here case outflow is 2 lakh rupees. Now in which year we have fully recovery? In the seventh year, okay. In the sixth year we have 1,91,000. 9,000 difference is there. So it means our answer is in between the 6 and 7. So now we will put the formula. PBP is equal to year before fully recovery plus unrecovered amount upon case inflow during the year. Year before fully recovery. In which year we have fully recovery? Seventh year. So year before fully recovery means 6 plus unrecovered amount, that is 9,000 upon case inflow during the year. In the seventh year we have 40,000. So write down here 40,000. Just do the division first. 9,000 into 40,000. 0.225. 0.000. कुछ गड़बड़ होगा बेटा, देख लो. 0.000 नहीं होगा. ये बराबर लिखा है मैंने. Only 2. Okay. Into 12 करो. So 6 years. 6 years and 0.225 into 12. 6 years and 2.7 months. Do you know this practical question having 8 marks? From unit 3, whatever the questions we have in a practical nature, all the questions have 8 marks weightage. Are we clear about this calculation? Yes. Any doubt? Yes. Any query? Okay. So, shall we go for the next method? Yes. Now, do you remember the present value? The concept of present value? What it says, the present value? Current price. Okay, present means a current and value means value of money. So, on the same concept, we have next method. Write down the title. Next method is discounted payback period. Discounted payback period. Here payback period The concept is remains same, but we need to calculate a discounted value. We need to calculate a first present value. And here present value means, suppose I am saying that after 2 years I will give you a 30,000 rupees. So what will be the right now the current value of 30,000 rupees that you will receive after 2 years? Are you getting my point? So for that we calculate the discounted value or present value of each year based on the table or based on the calculation that we will do with the help of simple calculator, and that is known as discounting factor. The discounting factor is also known as inflation rate. It is also known as hurdle rate or inflation rate. वापस से एक बार पूरा कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर देता हूँ प्रेजेंट वैल्यू का, तभी आपको डिस्काउंटेड पेबैक पीरियड समझ में आएगा. सी your discounted or a present value replies that or says that day by day, as a time pass, as a year goes, as a month goes, okay, the value of the money will decline, the purchasing power of the money will decline. जैसे जैसे टाइम जाएगा, जैसे जैसे टाइम पास होगा, वैसे वैसे मनी की वैल्यू डिक्रीज होती जाएगी, नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ करेंसी वैल्यू बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ परचेजिंग पावर. जो गुड्स आप 2015 में परचेज कर सकते थे विद 1,000 रुपीज, you can't purchase the same quantity of goods in 1,000 rupees right now. Are you getting my point? अभी आप जो भी goods purchase कर रहे हो within 50,000 rupees, वो 50,000 लेके आप 25 में जाओगे तो 25 में वो सेम क्वांटिटी तो नहीं मिलेगी. क्वालिटी भले ही मिल जाए लेकिन क्वांटिटी सेम नहीं मिलेगी. तो what it's implied, what is said that every year as a time pass, the money, the value of the money is declining every day. And for calculating the declining value, हमें ये तो पता है कि every year वो decline हो रही है, कम हो रही है, लेकिन for calculating that value we have one factor, and that factor is called as discounting factor. So discounting factor is nothing but it is one particular rate that decided by the expert, that this will the rate that apply with the case inflow. So you will get the exact idea that this is the right value, this is the current value of future income. Are we clear about the concept? Clear hai? Okay. The formula remains same, there is no change. Okay, the formula remains same, there is no change in the formula. Let's take one practical question to understand this one. Look at to the exercise number 6. Siddharth Limited is implementing a project with an initial capital outlay of 15,600. Its case inflows are as from first year to 5th year 7,000, 3,000, 8,000, 5,000, 4,000. Now, my question to you, that every year profit or cash flow is the same? No, it's not equal, it's not constant. It means we need to use second formula for payback period. Are we clear? हम किस तरह से क्वेश्चन रीड करेंगे, किस तरह से फॉर्मूला डिसाइड करेंगे, वो यहाँ से पता होगा. यस, यू हैव एनी क्वेरी? Case inflows. The expected rate of return on capital investment is 10% per annum. Calculate the discounted payback period. Please be here, be focused, because in each and every practical question you will find calculate the payback period. But when you find discounted payback period, your entire method will change. Are we clear? So here discounted word is important and the profit during the year is important. First two columns remain same. We are not disturbing, we are not changing that system. In the first column we write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the second column we write cash inflows. Tell me the amount for the first year. 7,000. For the second year, 3,000 for the third year, 8,000 for the fourth year, 5,000, and for the fifth year, 4,000. Are we clear up to this? This two columns remain same. Now we need to calculate the discounting factor. The third column, generally we have discounting factor. And look at to the question. Some rates is given to you. 10%. Here, required rate on a capital investment is 10%. It means it represents the inflation rate. It represents the discounted rate. So here, discounting factor or discounting rate is 10%. Now, for 10%, you have two options. Okay, either you can use your calculator, or either you can use the table that provided to you, that we call table of present value. Okay, you may use anyone. किस तरह से कैलकुलेशन करेंगे वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. पहले टेबल वाला मेथड समझते हैं, उसके बाद कैलकुलेटर वाला मेथड समझते हैं. Whenever you have this type of question, okay, go to your Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, in your material of Unit 1, okay, in a time value of money, I have uploaded one particular PDF. Okay, that PDF represent the, just 1 minute, okay, I am sharing that particular tab with you. See, this is visible to you. Those are here in online mode. See, table number 3. Okay, table number 3. Present value interest factor for single case inflow. Now look at to how many percentage we have? 10%. So go to the column of 10%. Here we have 10%. Yes. Okay. Now just see the figures. 0.9091, 0.8264, 0.7312, 0.6587, and 0.5935. And for the 6th year, we have 0.5346. आपको visible है ये? Same value we will use. No change, same value. Okay, on the first year, see how many? In the first year we have 0.9091. In the second year, 0.8264. In the third year, 0.7513, 0.6, 830, 0.5. In the fourth year we have 0.6830, which is 6. Okay. 0.6209. See, I have copy pasted this. Okay. Then put name here. Mark the value that you have copy pasted. Are we clear up to this? If you are clear, your 50% work is done. Are we clear up to this? Yes. Okay. Now the last calculation for us, that is, see your, this is first column, this is second column, this is third column. Now we are in the fourth column, and the fourth column is equal to 2 into 3. That's all. Let's do the multiplication. We'll get the cumulative or discounted case inflow. Discounted case inflow. Now 7,000 into 0.9091.
6363.
3000 into 0.8264. You will get these answers. Just do the very. कितना आ रहा है?
-10%
No. Direct multiplication. 3000 into 0.8264. 8000 into 0.7513. 5000 into 0.6830. 4000 into 0.6209. Are we clear? जो भी नंबर्स यहाँ पे 2 कॉलम पे उसको मल्टीप्लाई करो 3 कॉलम के साथ 4th कॉलम का आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. Are we clear up to this, everyone? Any doubt, any query?
Yes.
No? Okay. Then almost you are nearby the answer. You are nearby the answer. Just do the sum total from 1 year to 2nd year to 3rd year to 4th year. इस तरह से नहीं, यहाँ से जो हम करते थे वही करना है. Whatever we have done in a question number 4, question number 5, we need to do the same here also. Now do 6363.7 plus 2479.2 और all else. यहाँ पे सबका टोटल कर दो, फाइनल टोटल. कितना है? 20,751.
20,671.
कुछ गड़बड़ होगा बेटा. Okay, one by one करते हैं. 6363.7 for the first year. Now for the second year. 8,842. For the next year we have 14,853, and in the next year we have 18,268.3. In the fifth year we have 20,751.9. Sure. This calculation is clear?
Yes.
Okay, just do the multiplication of 2 and 3. Okay, and do the total one by one as we are doing in the previous methods, the previous questions. Now compare your case inflow and case outflow. Your case outflow is 15,600, and in which year you have fully recovery? In which year we have fully recovery? In the 4th year. Okay, in the 4th year we have fully recovery, but in the 3rd year we have some missing amount. So your answer is in between 3 to 4. For finding out the final answer, we will use the formula. PBP is equal to year before fully recovery In 4th year we have fully recovery, so 3 years plus unrecovered amount. Here 15,600 minus 14,853. $750. or 747? 15,600 minus 14,853. 53. 46. And here we case inflow during the year 3415. So 3 plus 746 upon 3415. 745 upon 3,415. 2189.
21851.
4 डिजिट रखो, into 12 करो. 3 years and 0.1. हाँ
0.218.
चलो इतना आता है. हाँ उसको मल्टीप्लाई करो विथ 12.
2.616.
So 3 years and 2 months. Are we clear about this calculation? See, this type of practical question having more weightage as compared to previous questions. Again, I repeat the entire stage and steps and table. First, you need to prepare a year column in which you need to write the years. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe in examination we have 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Then after case inflow, that is given to you in a practical question. Then after the discounting factor, that generally given to you in terms of percentage. Okay, here we have 10 percentage. So for the 10 percentage, we have looked at or we have used the table, and based on the table, we have written down these values in the column number 3. Then after we have find it out discounted case inflow, that is multiplication of case inflow with discounting factor. And then after we have followed the previous system in which we do the first year total, we do the first year and second year total. Then after we had third year, we had fourth year, and we had fifth year. Now we have compared that what is the case outflow. Case outflow is 15,600. So here fully recovery in the fourth year and unrecovered amount is 7,460. Sorry, 746. So year before fully recovery 3. Difference is 746 and case inflow during the is 3415. We have put these values in the formula and we have got the answer 3 years and 2 months. Are we clear?
Yes.
Last variation in this method. Here up to this we have only one project. Suppose in your examination you have two projects. You have project A and project B. Details are same, calculations are same, methods are there, formulas are there. But whatever you have done here, okay, this table and this calculation, you need to do the same for the project B. Are we clear? अगर दो प्रोजेक्ट है तो दो बार साइन कैलकुलेशन होगा, तीन प्रोजेक्ट है तो तीन बार साइन कैलकुलेशन होगा. In whatever project we have less number of years, that is accepted. Okay. If we have A and B, suppose in the B you will get 4 years and 1 month. So your answer must be A, because in A we have 3 years. So are we clear about the variation? So in payback period we have understood 3 different varieties. Number 1, in which every year case inflow is same. Okay, case initial outflow or project cost upon case flow during the year, PVP is equal to. Second variety we have used payback period, year before fully recovery plus unrecovered amount upon case inflow during the year when case inflow is not equal. And third variety we have completed, and that is our second method also, discounted payback period. Okay, and हाँ, one more thing, यहाँ पे आपको confusion ना हो, इसीलिए जब भी हम discounting payback period calculate करेंगे, आगे हम D लगा देंगे. Okay? DPB. Are you clear about this, all the methods? Okay, in the next class we will go for next method. Thank you so much for joining and your time. Have a nice day. Please write your numbers all, and you are free to leave the class.